You are learning Power BI and you want to learn advanced concepts. You want to know how to apply the concept you have learned as a beginner in Power BI, then this is the series for you. So watch this complete series, know how various concepts can be applied to achieve different results. Subscribe to the channel. Hello and welcome to another video on abstract thesis series, and in today's video we are going to discuss one use case where we actually wanted to find out the customer who are continuous for last 3 months. So let's jump onto the Power BI and try to understand the problem. So we go to the Power BI and let me add a new page to my file. The model which I'm using is my common model using the sales table and the geography and customer dimension, item dimension, and date table. This is the common one. You can find in my blogs the file. This is the common file which I use, so you will be able to find that file. So what I want here is I want to know the customers who are continuous for 3 months, and then let's get the count of those. So first thing we want to do is let's understand what is this continuous for 3 months. So I'm going to plot customer on a visual. So customer name I want to plot. The second thing I want to plot with that is the net sales. Before that I want to add the month here, because I want to find out the 3 months continuation of 3 months, and then I want to put net here. So base major net. Now if you look at here, you will see that there are hardly any continuation month, but I have one case where you can see here that if we look at this customer 1003, we will say March, April and May. This is one case where we see continuously 3 months this customer is there. It would be very difficult in this data to find out like that. So what we are going to do is let's create a rolling 3 months measure, and rolling 3 months measure should give us month count. We are not looking here the count of the rows of the sales. We are only want to have the count of the months. So every month should be counted only once, but if it rolls for second month, then it should be 2. And I have in the previous videos told you how to create a rolling formula, but here we need little bit different. So the rolling formula which we need here is it should give us the month count. So to do the month count, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to tell you the trick. So rolling 3 months, and here I'm going to say calculate, and in calculate I'm going to say count rows and then I'm going to create a table which is summarize. I'm going to take sales at the center table, but here I'm going to say date and month here. So what it is going to do is it's going to sum up the month here, and because it's coming because of the date, so there is a relationship which is in play, so it should sum up because of that, not everything. And then we put our dates in period formula, which we are going to use here for last 3 months, and it require date. So that's we are going to get from the date table, which is already marked as a date table, and every relationship following all the 6 rule which I have explained in my blogs. And then second argument is what date I should want to start. I say max, and then I say -3 because I need 3 months, and then I say interval, which is month because I want month, and let me put it this. So I got rolling 3 months measure, and let me put it here. Okay, so now what would happen here is why you are seeing such blanks, because see, if I sold in December, so December, January and February is also going to show me one month, though there is no sales. Same way when I sold in August and September continuously, I get 2, but why I get 2 in October? Because in out of these 3 months, the 2 months have this one, and then see November, all out of these 3 at least 1 sales. Now we know what we need. So for a customer month combination, we only need where we have this 3, isn't it? Now that's the thing when we need both combined together. But if I'm filtering it out, see my formula with the filter and without filter is going to be a little bit different. So formula with the filter, and that's where I'm looking forward right now. So if I filter, let's say September 2019, I need all those customer which is having 3 months there. So I'm going to put a month year formula first of all here, month year filter here. So month year filter I need. So from the date table, I need this month year filter, and I'm going to filter on a particular month. So in this case, let's filter September 2019 because we know there is a customer. Okay, so now in September 2019, my interest is these 3 count. Okay, I want to know how many customer has that 3 count. See, below there is a 3 count coming, which is not justifying what I need. So now I need the customer having these count as 3 when I selected this month. And I'm again telling you, they're going to be difference when you say customer and month together, and when you say I'm filtering the month. I'm only showing the month for your reference, but the only thing which I need is, if I select a month, let's say September 20, I need the count of the customer who has sold in continuously in last 3 months. I'm going to create another measure, and in this measure I'm going to select customer continuous 3 months for the selected one. Calculate, and calculate is optional. Count X values customer name, and if now we need to use rolling 3 months. Rolling 3 months equals to 3, then name, else blank, okay. So we got a new measure now. Let's see what does this measure gives us. It's only giving me 1 for this one, and there are a lot of stuff out here. So let's copy this table. Let me make it a little bit smaller, and I'm going to remove everything which I don't need. So I understand, is this, there's really 152 count or not. So I remove month year, I remove net, and I remove rolling 3. And let me make this table smaller and the other one is bigger. So I make this one little bit smaller, I make this one little bit bigger. Okay, so now we are getting the 142 customers which are continuous for last 3 months. Okay, so let's select 1001, and in the September, the last 3 months rolling is 3, and this is 1. So there are 3 months which it has sold continuously on September 2019, customer 1001. So what we need to do here is, we need to check that out, that it is whatever customer it is showing, we need to do testing, isn't it? So here in this one, it is showing customer 1001, 1001 is also doing that, and let's sort it on the customer. Okay, we'll bring in customer name as a slicer. And let's remove this filter 2019 as of now. And yes, here are the 3 months, continuous 3 months. Okay, now let's look at 1003. That was one customer we identified, and it's continuing in May 2019. So let's take May 2019, and yes, here we are getting the data, 3 months data, continuous data we are getting. Okay, So in this manner, we are now able to find out what are the customer on a given particular month who are continuously purchasing for last 3 months. So go ahead and try this out, and do let me know what else you want me to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep asking questions in comments, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new videos. Thank you.